This right here is a short video how to change a filter. There's no video on YouTube how to do it. First you gotta make sure you shut off the water. Just like that. Well, this is my first time. I guess there are two screws here. Unscrew this part and come off. Just a screwdriver. After you take off the two screw, Phillips screw, remove just like that. Filter is right here, and this right here where you store the water. Just turn it around. Remember, you gotta drain your water too. After finish draining it, you're gonna remove the filter. I guess this just remove the pressure of the water inside of the unit. Okay, I guess this is everyone's mistake, or my mistake only. Remember, you gotta turn off the system, unplug it. But I guess I was trying to do it without unplugging it, but the unit keep on coming on. So I just gotta remove the plug next to the fridge. Yes, finally get to unplug it, or the unit is gonna keep on coming on. So don't make the mistake. I just don't want to remove the fridge, but you have to. Even though there is no power, the water still running, it's still pressurized. After like 7 cups of water, we run out of water. Let's try the hot water side. No water running in the hot water side. Last cup of water. This right here, guys, is a replacement filter. Okay, this is a new one, and the old one is right here. I guess just twist it. That's about it. Everything come off. Oh, is twist and pull upward. Just fitting right in the coupling. And this is a new one. New filter. Everything is the same. Yep. Now we just place it back in here. That's about it. As you can see, there are two slots right here. It just line up with this part. And just tighten it. And it just fit right down in the center like this. Drop it in. That's about it. That's simple. Also, I guess they recommend to clean the tank too. You just turn, lift up, everything is clean. I'm just gonna take a tissue and just wipe on top here. Well, there's not a lot of build up in here, so basically everything is clean. Yep. Everything is clean. Now we just reinstall the cover. I guess you just press it in. That's about it. Filter, container where the water is storing. Not a lot of parts up here. My final check, see if everything is tight. Now I'm going to check, see if there's any leak in the seal. Seems like there are no leak. Water is now pouring in the container. Everything look good. Before I close it up, I will put on back power and make sure everything is working. Power cable. Okay, it takes like a minute or two for the tank to fill up. We have power. There is no water leaking. Now, let's do the first test. Everything is working. I take out like 7 cups of water, so I'm guessing like 7 cups of water for the tank. I'll probably drain the tank 3 times. So it'd be like 7 threes. Let's see if the hot water tank is working. Yep, that is very hot. Everything is working. Water is good color. Final check and see if any water leaking before I close the system up. Everything's working good. Yep. Simple process. Just place this back in, 2 screw. Just have to fit in this slot here. Just a slot. That's about it, guys. Very easy. Anyone could do it. All you need is just a screwdriver. Phillips screwdriver. For the filter, this is the oil filter. I'm gonna put a link in the video for getting a filter. It is that simple to replace the filter. And if you're cleaning, this part just come off, and I gotta clean in there too. That's about it. I just gotta drain the tank 3 times, 7 cup of water by 3, and I should be good to go. I guess 3 is a lucky number. If you like this video, subscribe. Please like. And I hope you guys know how to change it right now. And get an easy time, not a hard time to change. It's not hard to change. Without a video, it probably take me like 5 minutes. You guys have a blessed day. We have our little taste tester for the water. After finish drainage. How does it taste?
Delicious water.
Any aftertaste?
No.
No aftertaste?
No aftertaste.
Well, that's how you get your kids to drink some water. Technology. Everyone love this. I love making coffee. That's about it, guys. Nice and easy. Until the next one. Another little taste tester here. How does it taste?
Good.
It's good?
Yeah, no aftertaste.
Okay. Well, I guess it's work. This 3 kids final test of the water. Let's see if they approve it. How does it taste?
Fresh.
Fresh?
Yeah.
Spring water?
Yeah.
I guess it's fresh spring water. Approve?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It tastes like Polar Spring.
Nice.